Ju. That's it. Yes. Let me try and look halfway decent. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? My God, it's been such a week here in the United Kingdom. For those of you that live in other countries, and we are just trying to go on day by day. But when I tell you that the tea is out left and right, and all of these revelations are just unraveling, oh my God. What can I say? It's a lot, but I will say this. I am here. I am here to have a makeup tutorial because sometimes you just need to decompress. Even I do. I need to decompress. I'm a mom. I'm running around with Paduski. Oh, Adrian is growing so much. You should see. He has a little car now, and when I tell you, he's obsessed. He's obsessed. So today we're just going to play with Melt Cosmetics. I have had these palettes forever when I tell you. And somebody in the comments, do you use Melt Cosmetics? And I was like, you know what? Hold on. I think I have Melt Cosmetics somewhere. So we have the Smoke Sessions, and then we also have Gemini Melt Cosmetics. Let me open this very gingerly because two of the palettes have cracked. My life. Okay, there we go. So let me lift it up for you. And we are using this green one right here. We used it in the makeup tutorial. So we're using this right here. And this one has cracked. And then this one over here, as you can see, has cracked. But the colors are fabulous. And I wanted to do something green, mossy, forest green, something simple. I'm all about simplicity because I think that is where one should start with makeup, especially for you guys. And that way you can build on your creativity. So this was so simple. I'll tell you, it looks complex. Not at all. And then we go also with the Smoke Sessions. And my darlings, when I tell you, I went wild. So we have Gravity OG, which we use. Then we have Black Widow, which we use. And then we had Space Queen, which we also used. And that was it. These three colors and then the other shade that I showed you in the Gemini palette from Melt Cosmetics. I just felt that, you know what, let's do a little bit of green. Let's do something that is fun and that is different. So it was all about the eyes. And then I used Francis Starr. He's a wonderful friend of mine. The lashes are called Gabby. I say that also in the makeup tutorial. And just to contour, I used the 470 Fenty just to contour the eye a little bit, to give it a little bit of depth. And that was it, really. And a surprise with the lip. You're gonna love this. I love it. I absolutely do. All right, my sweets, sit back and enjoy, okay? Just look at what Adrian did to my earrings. I love hoops. They're easy, and they work with most outfits. And I have lots and lots of them. And just look at what he did. He bent this one, so, and we're on lockdown. Oh God, how are you, darlings? How are you? Okay, let us start. You know what I'm going to start with? I'm going to start with my Fenty, yes, my darlings, the Pro Filter, and this is a 70, the 470. I'm going to grab a brush, and we are just going to warm up the crease, yeah? So this I just find is such a perfect brown, and so I just stamp it in there. And it just really brings the eye together. The beautiful thing about this also is that for those of you that don't care for color, don't want color, it's not that serious of a glam day, just like a natural glam. You can do this and you're done. Yeah, you can do only this and you are done. Okay. Just stamp it in there right above the crease. And just go back and forth and blend it in. And this is just really quick and easy. Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions. I've had this palette forever and I'm so excited that I'm using it now. So we're opening it up. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to go in with this shade. And you can go in with your contour brush so that you don't waste too many brushes. And you just go in this one, yeah? And you're going to take your time. Because it's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky and it's deep. So we're just going to go up there. Up there. And we're going to bring it all the way down to the lid. Voila. And you're going to bring it all the way. So you're going to take it up there and then bring it all the way down. Okay, it's just up there and that's it. We're not doing too much. And we're just going to give it a little bit of some shape. So what we can do, let me just get another brush. We're just going to make it a little bit sharp there with a color, with a sharper brush, and just leave it. This is all that we want to do. We don't want to do too much. And then we want to just buff it. That's all. Just buff it and leave it as so. There's a little bit of fallout, so have a little bit of powder there so that it doesn't spoil your makeup, or you can do your eyes first. It's entirely up to you. Then use a little brush just to sharpen it. I really love this color. It's so gorgeous, Black Widow. So I use my finger and just graze over it. And I just pile that on. I feel that it comes on much better when I use my finger, because I don't want it to be really bright. I just want it to have a little flare. There you go. Just rubbing my finger, because some colors you can do that, you know. It's such an easy look, and that's what I want to do. I want to do easy looks for you guys that you can really follow. Step 1, 2, 3. And just go over on the side also. That way you can marry in the other color, you know, so that it blends in. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to go in for this shade here. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then go over that one. Go over the green, the Black Widow, a little bit so that it just blends. That's all. See? And just follow the shape of your eye. And you can take it right over. And because I did that little deepening of the socket, the brightness of it has the contrast. And you can match it up. Just match it up, see where you want to go, and let the brush just go over. See? Now, you take the brush as is. Don't do anything more, and tap right into the brow bone so that it gives it a hue, but you didn't have to use too much color. That's it. And then we're going in with Gemini. This is beautiful. The colors have smashed. Woo! And we're going to go in with this just on the waterline, okay? You can just match that right up, join it right up to the little wing that you have over there. Such a gorgeous color. Oof. What do we think, my darlings? What do we think? We're wearing Gabi by Francis Starr, very good friend of mine. I love the lashes, and I put a little bit of like black eye pencil. You can do that just to make it a little bit more striking. We're going to go in with MAC blusher. This is called Rosy Cheeks, and pink is such a lovely color. It just balances it all out. And we're going to put this on the high points of the cheeks, yapidu, just to give it a little oomph. And what I like about this shade also is got a little sheen So it really works as a highlighter as well as a blusher. So much fun, so much fun, so much fun. And you can just put a little bit on the sides of the temples as well. It balances out the color. Do you see how it makes it feminine and gorgeous? I love it. Warms up the face. And then you can go in a little bit just to, yes, yes. That's gorgeous. How are you, darlings? How are you? We're still reeling of the bombshell interview Meghan and Harry had with Oprah. When I tell you, it's been intense. It's been intense. But we're living it up, darlings. We're living it up. This color is so gorgeous. Just look at that eye. Oh, it's so beautiful. And like I said, you can go in and just really, yes. Again, this is called Rosy Cheeks for those of you that are asking. I have a collection of lip glosses. I'm waiting to do a whole makeup tutorial on them, but I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Colored Rain lip glosses. Yes, 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 yes. Colored Rain lip glosses. So let's play. Let's play. So I'm going to take the lightest because I want that in the center. That would be good. And then I should take like this shade, I think. These two. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. I have a discount code for you guys. Fumi. And this is called Leslie Ann. And this one is called Veronica. So we're using Veronica and Leslie Ann. Okay. Veronica is the darker shade. Yes, it's pretty. And it's so pigmented. A full tutorial using their brushes, their lip glosses, bronzers is coming up. Okay. We're going to use a pencil, chestnut. Okay, that's pretty. And then we're going to go with Leslie Ann and just touch up on the center. Yeah. Ooh. It's a little bit. That is so pretty. That is so, so pretty. It's Fenty Beauty. How do it? And we're just going to set this puppy. I don't know whether it's a bit too. I just blotted it so that it wasn't too opaque. And this is more natural. So this is a fun tutorial. This is a fun look that you can wear out. You can enjoy. You know, it's just so gorge. It really is gorge. All right, so let's just set this. Oh, it smells like heaven. Oh. And there you have it. And there you have it. A little bit of green, and it works. It just works. It opens up the eye and it's fun. And as you can see, you just put the darker shades on the outer V, put a medium shade in the middle, and then put like a lighter shade in your tear duct just to really pop it out, and then use the brush to shape it over your lid. And that's it. Very, very simple. Okay, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I will see you super, super, super soon. We are back, my darlings. We've got a lot of launches as well, so absolutely check in on me on a regular basis. I will try my absolute best to have 3 tutorials for you every single week. Stay loved up, love yourself, and as you very well know, I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Okay. Mwah.